Hello everyone, hope your day is going fine. Here we are with another interesting video. Now, if we ask people whether they want to become an entrepreneur or a businessman, their answer will be yes, why not? But if we ask the same people what business they want to do or what kind of business they want to do, they will answer nothing. Their mind will be blank after this question. This is the problem of majority of our population. People want to do business, but they don't know how to start, where to start, and what to start. So, we are starting another series in which we will answer the question what, how, and where to start the business in a detailed manner. In this video, we will tell you some businesses that you can start. So, let's proceed. Meal delivering company. If you want to conquer the business world, then start your business with something that is essential to people, something which people can't ignore in their daily life. If you are thinking to start something like that, then a meal delivering company is the best option. Now, it is the ideal business for current situation. As we all are living in a quarantine, people can't go outside their houses. So they will have to definitely order food from these meal delivering companies. These meal delivering companies are connected to existing restaurants. Restaurants will prepare the order and these meal delivering companies will deliver the order to customer. Import and Export Specialization Company. Imports exports has now become a common part of every well established business. Here I am not saying you should start importing and exporting your products. Well, this can be another business idea, but here I am saying you should start providing services to local companies with their import and export documentation, tracking and other duties so that the local companies can focus on other important matters. You can also take this business internationally and provide services to international clients. And don't worry about the clients, you will find them. It's an era of outsourcing. Solar Energy Production Company. Like I said earlier, if you want to conquer the business world and want to establish a powerful business, then you have to become the need of people. Target their basic necessities. Since electricity is one of the basic need of current generation, you can start your own solar energy production company. At start, your aim should be to provide cheap electricity to people so that more and more customers will attract towards your solar energy company. You can start this business by providing electricity to your local community and then gradually expand your business with time. After you are able to sell enough of the energy produced, you can invest in more land panels to grow the production company. Unique footwear client development business. Now, footwear business is growing very rapidly all around the world. But here I am not saying you should start a footwear business because that requires a huge amount of capital. What I am trying to say here is that become the agent of those footwear businesses. You could help them find clients from around the world that would want their shoes produced from your country. This is a low cost approach. If you want a high cost approach, then as I told you, start your own footwear business. Software development firm. World is traveling on the roads of technology. A proper IT system has become an essential element of every business. If everything is running on an IT software, then why not we grab this opportunity? Start a software development firm. Assist different businesses in their IT problems. You can also provide and develop them different software to solve their complex problems. It will be a profitable business as softwares are expensive. There are many more business ideas which you can start. We will continue these business ideas in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for the second part. That's all for today. Do tell us in the comments about the video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Adios.